Here's how to blur video background on Capcut. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Capcut app. After that, tap on the new project option. Now you will be redirected to your mobile's gallery. From your phone's gallery, you have to select your desired video. After selecting your desired video, now tap on the next. Moving on to the next step, tap on the effects option. Then tap on the video effects. Now in the search bar, search for the blur video effect. Moving on, here you have to select any blur effect to add on to your video. After adding your blur effect, now you can adjust the blur level. Then you can adjust your blur level. After selecting that, you can go back and tap on the overlay. Now again tap on the add overlay option. Now from your mobile's gallery, select that exact video again. Now go back and tap on the edit option. Then tap on the cutout. Now click on the remove background option from here. Now here, as you can see, our video has been blurred successfully. You can also adjust your current video. So that's how you can blur videos on Capcut. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.